Jesse had a baby yesterday. He was born at 1:15 yesterday morning. If you do not have a partner, you are single. If you have a husband or wife, you are married. If your husband or wife dies, you are widowed. If your marriage breaks up, you are separated/divorced. The marriage has legally ended. Harry and Sarah got married. They married in 2001. Married without God is more formal. They went on their honeymoon to Italy. Then Harry became ill. He died last year. He died of a heart attack.